You're on mute, Emily.
Thank you. Okay, so let's continue on. We only have 3 more minutes. Sorry about that. It looks like my internet chopped out there for a little bit. Okay, so 25 times 0.913 equals 22.825. And again, my internet connection is unstable, so I might drop out again. 75 times 0.913 equals 68.475 milligrams per week. All right, so now we're asking to solve. We're asked to solve for, is this a safe dosage or not? Now, I'm just thinking about this a little bit. A physician orders a single dose of 40 milligrams. So 40 milligrams was ordered. And sorry, I'm just thinking about this one. It's going to take me a little bit to think about how to get to the solution here. So a physician orders a single dose of 40 milligrams of this drug for a child who weighs this amount and is this certain height. The recommended pediatric dosage is 25 to 75 milligrams per meter squared per week. And its strength is 20 milligrams per mil. Is this a safe dosage? So we know our upper limits, we know our lower limits, and we know that the drug ordered is right in the middle. It's 40 milligrams of this drug. So it's right in between the lower limit and it's right in between the upper limit. So it looks like this is a safe dosage for this drug. All right, because it's right in the middle between the lower limit and the upper limit. All right. So that would be the answer to that question. Now, all the answers that we didn't go through, we can go through on Monday, and we can also go through the practice test. Now, the practice test for this test coming up is on page 199, and it's questions number 1 through 14. So if you'd like to do some practice to get ready for the test next Tuesday, you could go through all of the practice problems in chapter number 5, all of the even numbers, so you can check the answer in the back of the book, or you could also go through the chapter test on page 199. And with that, I'm going to stop my share, and class is dismissed for today. Sorry about the internet connection. I wasn't able to really fix that appropriately in time, but I did my best there. Okay.
Emily,
Yeah.
can I talk to you for a minute?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, I'm just wondering. I have I sent you an email about it, but I'm I have a treatment that I have to go for, and I have to go on the 15th. So I'll be in the hospital on the 15th and 16th. Is there any way I can have the test earlier, like on the Sunday? I'll do it Sunday and send it to you.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I'll send it to you on the Sunday by email. How does that sound?
Okay. Did you need my email or?
Did you already send me an email?
I believe I did, but I can send you one back.
Yeah, I know your email because I can find it on My Cambrian. They have it listed there.
Okay, so you'll be able to send it to me on Sunday then?
Yeah, I'll just make note of that right now just so I don't forget. But yeah, I can send you the test early. I'll send it to you on Sunday.
Okay.
So Sunday just want to make sure I have the right day here. Sunday, March 14th?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. So that's for Erin Henderson?
Yeah.
Okay.
You might have there's a bit of confusion sometimes. I go by Henderson, and I'm pretty sure it's all Henderson. But in case you see Aaron Goslin, that's me too.
Okay. Henderson.
Yeah, Henderson Goslin, Gossselin. Goslin.
Okay. Yeah, I'll send you the test then on Sunday.
Do you want me to send you an email just to confirm why I'm doing that?
Sure, that would be great just to also remind me that that's something that I need to do for Sunday.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
No problem. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
If you don't mind, I'd just like to confirm. I was a little confused. Is our test the 15th or the 16th?
The 16th. The
16th?
recap. Yeah, the recap or like the kind of review is on the 15th.
Okay, thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
You're welcome. You too. Bye for now.
Hi, Emily. I sent you an email with my last assignment. I just wanted to make sure you got that, and that puts me all up to date. So
Okay, congratulations on making it up to date then. I haven't
I
looked
know.
at, I'll look at my emails right now actually, because there's a couple I guess that came through. Updating my
Perfect.
inbox.
Yeah, it was a busy 2 weeks getting caught up in all classes, being out for so long for my surgery. So finally, yay!
Yeah, that's a good thing. Awesome. Okay, yeah, I got your
Yeah,
email.
my
Let me
brain
just,
hurts, but it's done.
yeah, that's good. Yeah, so I'm just opening it right now, and it looks like,
Perfect.
yeah, it looks like you have it all done there. So yeah, sounds good.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for everything.